Session 2, Business Data, Data Quality, and Excel Preparation. Stop wasting time on this common mistake. Most people assume analytics feels hard because the tools Excel, SQL, or visualization software are complex and difficult to master. That's not actually true. Analytics feels hard because the data itself is broken or incomplete before you even touch it. Messy, inconsistent, or poorly structured data creates confusion, frustration, and wasted effort. This is the turning point, relief. Once you understand business data, how it behaves, and the patterns it contains, everything changes. Excel stops feeling messy. SQL stops feeling intimidating. Analysis stops feeling like guesswork. Progress begins when you stop blaming yourself for the difficulty and instead focus on fixing and preparing the data correctly. Data quality is the foundation of every successful analysis. Bad data leads to bad insights. Bad insights lead to poor decisions. Poor decisions cost real money, resources, and time in real US companies. If Session 1 taught you how professional analysts think about questions and decisions, this session teaches you what they protect, the integrity and reliability of the data itself. By understanding data quality, validation, and preparation, you gain control over the analysis process and reduce risk. Let's dive in, explore how enterprise data behaves, and learn how to clean, organize, and prepare it so that every analysis you do has the chance to truly support better business decisions. Enterprise Business Data Basics. Business data is not neat. It's not clean. And it's definitely not designed for learning. Enterprise data exists primarily to run operations, not to make analysis easy or intuitive. Sales systems track transactions. HR systems track people. Finance systems track money. Each system speaks its own language, uses its own codes, and has its own logic. That's why business data feels confusing at first. You're not looking at one neat, self-contained dataset, you're looking at multiple systems stitched together, each with its own quirks, inconsistencies, and hidden rules. In US organizations, most data lives in three main places: operational systems, reporting systems, and personal tools like Excel. Operational data is raw, fast-moving, and detailed. Reporting data is structured, summarized, and often delayed. Excel is where analysts prepare the data for actual thinking, analysis, and decision support. This is where many beginners panic. They expect data to arrive ready to use. It never does. Professional analysts operate under a different assumption: data is flawed. They actively look for gaps, inconsistencies, and errors. They question definitions. They ask how the data was collected, processed, and maintained. This understanding is the missing foundation of professional analytics. If you don't know where the data comes from, you can't trust what it says. And if you can't trust the data, your analysis becomes guesswork. Once you accept this reality, the confusion drops. You stop asking, "Why is this so messy?" and start asking, "What is this data actually trying to represent?" That single shift in mindset transforms how you approach analysis and lays the groundwork for real insight. Data quality and validation. Data quality is not primarily a technical problem. It's a thinking problem. Most people define good data simply as accurate, assuming that if the numbers add up, everything is fine. But that's only part of the story. In real US businesses, data quality has multiple dimensions. Analysts ask four core questions: is the data complete? Is it consistent? Is it timely? And is it accurate enough to support the decision at hand? Each of these factors directly affects the value of your analysis. Here's why this matters. A finance analyst at a US company was asked to analyze revenue trends. At first glance, the numbers looked clean. Totals matched. Charts appeared correct. Everything seemed fine. Yet, something didn't feel right. The analyst dug deeper and discovered missing dates. Certain transactions hadn't been recorded on holidays, so sales hadn't truly dropped, they were merely delayed. That insight changed everything. Without validation, leadership might have cut budgets or made costly adjustments based on misleading trends. With proper validation, they simply adjusted their timing assumptions, avoiding unnecessary actions. Same data. Very different outcome. This illustrates why analysts validate before they analyze. They check row counts, scan for missing values, and confirm definitions with business teams. They don't assume, they verify. And here's the quiet truth. Most analytics mistakes don't come from writing incorrect formulas. They come from trusting data too quickly. If you've ever built a report that felt off or reached the wrong conclusion, this is almost certainly why. Validation transforms raw data from a potential trap into a reliable foundation for meaningful business decisions. Data cleaning in Excel. Excel is where raw data becomes usable. Not pretty, usable. Data cleaning is not glamorous. It doesn't create flashy dashboards or colorful charts, but it's where professional analysts are truly made. Without clean, reliable data, any analysis built on top of it is fragile. Data cleaning includes essential tasks such as removing duplicates, fixing inconsistent labels, handling missing values, and standardizing formats. None of this feels exciting. Until you skip it. Here's a quick reflection. Think about the last dataset you worked with. Did you take the time to check for blanks? Did you verify that categories were consistent across columns? Did you ensure that dates and numbers were in the correct format? Or did you jump straight into writing formulas, hoping everything would work? Be honest, most beginners do the second one. That's why Excel often feels frustrating. Formulas break unexpectedly. Pivot tables return errors. Summaries don't match expectations. Nothing feels reliable. Cleaning creates stability. Once the data is clean, formulas behave predictably. Pivot tables reflect the correct totals. Charts tell an accurate story. Insights become repeatable and trustworthy. Professional analysts spend more time preparing data than analyzing it. That's not inefficiency, that's discipline. Preparing data correctly ensures that when you finally analyze it, your results are meaningful, accurate, and actionable. If this stage feels slow right now, that's normal. Speed comes later. Accuracy comes first. Clean data is the foundation upon which all professional Excel analysis is built, and mastering this step transforms messy spreadsheets into a tool that drives confident, reliable decision-making across real business scenarios. Analysis-ready datasets. Analysis-ready data has one clear job: to support thinking. It exists to make analysis straightforward, reliable, and actionable. In US retail and finance teams, this usually means a few fundamental practices: one row per event, clear and descriptive column names, consistent data types, and no hidden logic that could mislead or confuse. Let's consider a real-world example. A retail team wanted to track store performance across multiple locations. Their Excel file looked fine at first glance. But it contained merged cells, totals embedded within data rows, and multiple metrics crammed into a single column. Despite appearing organized, the file was unusable for proper analysis. Analysts couldn't quickly summarize performance or create repeatable reports. Once the data was properly restructured, each event in its own row, clear column headers, consistent formats, everything changed. Pivot tables updated instantly. Trends became visible at a glance. Decisions could be made faster and with confidence. This is the freedom that preparation buys you. When data is truly analysis-ready, you stop fighting the file and start answering real business questions. This principle also connects back to ethics and professional responsibility. Decisions based on messy or unreliable data can have serious consequences: wrong staffing levels, inaccurate sales forecasts, or misguided budget allocations. Preparation is not busy work. It is protection for the business, for the people relying on your insights, and for your own credibility as an analyst. Ensuring that data is clean, structured, and understandable is the foundation for responsible, effective, and trustworthy decision-making. Closing summary plus practical next steps. The key takeaway is simple: messy data is expected, but unchecked data is a liability. Quality issues can reshape results and undermine decision-making. You saw how enterprise data is created, why validation matters, and how Excel can transform chaos into clear, structured information. Think back to the revenue story we discussed. The insight only worked because the analyst questioned the data first, identified gaps, and corrected inconsistencies. That extra step made all the difference between misleading conclusions and actionable understanding. Here are 2 practical actions you can take immediately to start building this professional habit. First, the next time you open a dataset, pause and ask yourself, where did this data come from, and what could be missing? Second, practice cleaning the data before jumping into analysis. Even just 5 minutes of preparation, removing duplicates, fixing inconsistent labels, standardizing formats, can save hours of frustration later. You're developing a mindset that separates professional analysts from basic spreadsheet users. Accuracy and preparation come before speed, and building this habit now ensures your work is trustworthy and repeatable. In the next session, we'll take Excel further, showing how it becomes a decision-making tool and how professionals use it to support real business outcomes. Keep going. This is where confidence starts to stick, and where your analyst mindset begins to take shape.